Hello. I just wanted to remind you guys of a little resource that you have in your student book, and it's always the page right before you're on my own, and it's called the Learn page. So this Learn page just reviews all of the concepts that we talked about in the lesson for the day. And if you want a little refresher on any of the concepts that we talked about, this page could be used as a resource to help you. Now on to your assignment. First, don't forget to put your name on the paper. That's super important. Keep your name on the paper every single time you do work. That way nobody can claim it, and I know, or Miss T knows, whose paper it is. Problem number 1 says, how can you find the fraction? How can you fill in the fraction labeled with a point? So what fraction would be right here on the number line? So fill in what fraction will be right here on a number line. Number 2, also, what fraction would be right here on the number line? So our whole is 0 to 1, and then it has put a fraction, and you need to say what fraction would belong there. Where would you place the fraction on the number line? Partition the number line to show your thinking. So for number 3, this fraction is 3/4, so you need to divide this number line into fourths and show where 3/4 would be on the number line. Number 4, 4/8. Divide your number line into eighths and then show where 4/8 would belong on the number line. Number 5, 5/6. Place it on the number line after you partition the number line into sixths. Number 6, partition the number line into thirds and then place 2/3 on the number line. Number 7 is 3/6. So partition the number line into sixths and then find where 3/6 would be. Rhea placed point B on the number line. What fraction is represented by point B? Explain how you know. So here's where Rhea put point B. What fraction is that? And how do you know? Why is Cinderella a bad sport? She always runs away from the ball. Silly Cinderella. Number 9, how would you represent 3/8 on a number line? So you need to draw a number line and label 3/8 on the number line. So draw a number line from 0 to 1, partition it into eighths, and place 3/8 on the number line. Julia climbs a rope in gym class. The rope is partitioned into equal length sections. She climbs to tie the 5th knot. She climbs to the 5th knot, not to tie it. She climbs up to the 5th knot. What fraction of the rope does she climb? Number 11, STEM connection. Haley tracks a spacecraft. A rocket is 3/6 of the way from Earth to the moon. How can you represent how far it has traveled on a number line? 0 is Earth. 1 is the moon. The rocket is 3/6 of the way past Earth. Where would 3/6 belong on that number line? Extend your thinking. Bryce and Cassie are running a race. Bryce has completed half of the race. Cassie has completed 4/6 of the race. Show their positions on the racetrack. Who is winning? Explain. And we have a special guest. Hi, friends. Reflect is optional as always. It says, how can you represent fractions on a number line? Like and subscribe.